low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no
What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the network revealed Huawei Mate 50 and Huawei Mate 50 Pro latest features, chipset, operating system and official launch date. Please watch the full video content. Huawei launches Mate 50 powered by Snapdragon 778G and Harmony operating system 3 that will officially launch on July 27. According to the latest news, the Mate 50e will be the base model of the new flagship line. Earlier rumors said that Huawei Mate 50 flagship series will have two models, Huawei Mate 50 and Huawei Mate 50 Pro. According to new data, there will be three models. According to the sources within the series, the Huawei Mate 50e will also be released based on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G single chip system and of course without 5G support. It should be noted that Snapdragon 778 SoCs are very popular with both Huawei and Honor, so the rumor seems quite plausible. Previously, Huawei has already released simplified versions of the flagships with the designation E in the name, so the Mate 50e may actually appear. According to the characteristics, it will of course be simpler than the Huawei Mate 50 and Huawei Mate 50 Pro, but so far there are no additional details on this matter. There was also evidence that the premiere of a new version of the branded replacement for Android, the Harmony OS 3 operating system, will take place on July 27. It was previously believed that this operating system will debut simultaneously with the Mate 50 on September 12, but it is possible that the operating system will be presented separately in advance. On the other hand, case images show camera differences between Huawei Mate 50 Pro and Mate 50. Larger spacing between modules indicates larger sensors. The new images have been appeared on the network that shed light on what the Huawei Mate 50 series smartphones will be like. So from the new images of cases, you can understand how the cameras of the Huawei Mate 50 and Huawei Mate 50 Pro differ. Conceptually, these models are all the same, 4 round cutouts and a large round block of the camera itself. But there are nuances. For example, the Huawei Mate 50 Pro has a larger distance between the modules. What is known about Huawei Mate 50 is that it will not have a lot of RAM. The maximum will be 8GB. Flash memory options are 128 or 256GB. There will also be Harmony operating system 3.0 and SoC Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, although there is also talk of a Kirin 9000 as single chip system. According to the second source, the official premiere of the Huawei Mate 50 is expected on September 12. On the same day, Huawei will also introduce its second vehicle, the Ito M7 large hybrid crossover. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.
Then you just might make a change, rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope.